Our team is busy in summertime seeding perennials. Sipkens team seeds over 380,000 plants for our perennial program. Once trays are filled with a custom soil blend, they are planted either by hand or by using a seeding machine. This machine seeds 16 cells each cycle. Trays are placed on the benches and watered in immediately. It is an amazing sight when germination occurs. Cuttings is another process we ramp up in the summer. We take cuttings from many perennials, trimming off excess foliage to allow the plant to root quickly. These are grown on heated floors over the winter and after being repotted are ready for your gardens the following spring. Overall, 150,000 cuttings are planted for our perennial program. Some tree, shrub, and evergreen cutting crops can take 5+ years before they hit the sales floor. Fall mum production is in full swing. They are potted, pinched, spaced, and shortly moved outdoors in the sun to be grown to perfection. Our fall crop is also looking good. We are growing many varieties of perennials and annuals for incredible fall color.